हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। आपको इस यूट्यूब चैनल पे आर्मी पब्लिक स्कूल की आईटी प्लैनेट बुक के सभी क्लास की सभी चैप्टर्स की एक्सरसाइज के सॉल्यूशंस मिलेंगे। जो कंप्यूटर की बुक है उसके सभी चैप्टर्स के सभी क्लास के एक्सरसाइज के सब सॉल्यूशंस आपको इस चैनल पे मिलेंगे, तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलना। तो शुरू करते हैं आज क्लास 8 चैप्टर 9 फोटोशॉप, इस चैप्टर की एक्सरसाइज का सॉल्यूशन। So first question, take the correct answer. Photoshop is developed under Adobe. Digital images in Photoshop are made up of tiny solid color squares called pixels. It can be used to change the size of an image. It is crop tool. It can be used to copy information from one area of an image to another. It is clone stamp tool. To darken a specific area of an image, we use yes, correct, burn tool. It can be used to select a color from an open image. It's eyedropper tool. Let's see the blanks, fill in the blanks. You can apply colors to pixels after selecting them by paintbrush and airbrush. Answer is airbrush. Next, we can change the dash size of an image. It is canvas size. Canvas size of an image to add blank space to its borders. Next, dash dash tool. The answer is magic wand tool. Magic wand tool is used to select the groups of similarly colored pixels. Next question, D. Dash filter reduce the amount of detail in your image. It is blur filter. Painting tools such as the brush tool apply the dash color. It applies foreground color. foreground color apply करते हैं. So these are the answers of, take the correct answer and fill in the blanks. Let's see true false. First question is Adobe Photoshop is a word processor software. It is false. ये word processor नहीं है. Right. Next, the default background color in Photoshop is black. ये भी false है, black नहीं होता है. Regular lasso tool is also used to create oddly shaped or jagged selection. Yes, this is true. Dodge tool is used to lighten a specific area of an image. Again, this is true. और burn tool से dark होता है, dodge tool से lighten होता है. Blur tool is used to lighten a specific area. ये false, अभी अभी हुआ ना ये. False. A foreground color helps to paint, fill and strike selection. Yes, correct. ये भी true है. Let's see very short answers. What is Photoshop? The answer of this question is here. Photoshop is a graphics editor software developed and published by Adobe Systems. It allows us to create, modify, combine and optimize digital images. Second question is what are pixels? Pixels क्या होते हैं? Digital images in Photoshop are made up of tiny solid color squares called pixels. This is the definition of pixels. Next question, what is the purpose of eyedropper tool? Yes, eyedropper tool enables us to paint using a color already present in our image. Question number D, which tool is used to darken a specific area of an image? अभी हुआ था. A burn tool is used to darken a specific area of an image. Next question, name the tool used to select the groups of similarly colored pixels. Yes, magic wand tool is used to select the groups of similarly colored pixels. Which is the common mode for working with color images in Photoshop? It is RGB is the common mode for working with color images in Photoshop. Last question, what is the file extension name in Photoshop? Photoshop में जो फाइल बनती है उसका extension होता है .psd. .psd is the file extension. Then long answer questions. First question, explain the uses of Photoshop. So Photoshop allows us to create, modify, combine and optimize digital images. We can then save the images to print, share via email, publish online or view them on handheld device. We can use Photoshop, Paintbrush, Airbrush and pencil tools to apply colors or patterns to our images after selecting its pixels. We can also fill our selections with solid or semi-transparent colors. We can brighten, darken and change the hue means shade of colors in parts of our image with dodge, burn and similar tools of Photoshop. Photoshop lets us let us print our images, save them in format suitable for use on a web or prepare them for use in page layout program. Yes, long आंसर्स है. बी क्वेश्चन है, राइट the variety of sources you can get images from while using Photoshop. So we can get images from variety of sources to work with Photoshop. These are, we can use scanner to scan photos, we can use clip art collection if you want a wide variety of images content to work with. We can transfer digital images onto our computer using digital cameras. There are many websites that feature images which are in the public domain or are available for non-commercial use. Next, write the steps to change the canvas size of an image. See, these are the steps. Number one step, click on the image in the menu bar, click on canvas size, the canvas size dialog box appears. Step 3, type the dimensions for the new canvas. Step 4, click an anchor point such as the middle one. Step 5, click on OK. Photoshop changes the canvas size of the image. So these are the 5 steps to change the canvas size of an image. And the last question, describe the different selection tools available in Photoshop. Which are different selection tools available in Photoshop? Magic Wand, then Marquee tool, Lasso tool. So these are the 3 different selection tools available in Photoshop. Magic Wand, this tool is used to select the groups of similarly colored pixels. It works best on solid color background. Marquee, this tool is used to select a rectangular or elliptical area of image. We can move, delete or stylize the selected area using other Photoshop commands. Lasso tool, with this tool we can create oddly shaped selections. Then we can move, delete or stylize the selected area using other Photoshop commands. And last one question is application based question is there. You had gone for a picnic with your friends and had clicked a group photograph with them. From that photograph you want to keep only your photo and remove the rest. Which tool of Photoshop will you use for this purpose? आप पिकनिक पे गए हो, आपने ग्रुप फोटो खींची है और ग्रुप फोटो में से आपको सिर्फ आपकी फोटो रखनी है, बाकियों को निकालना है, तो आप कौन सा टूल यूज करोगे? सो यस, ऑब्वियसली क्रॉप टूल. वी विल यूज क्रॉप टूल फॉर दिस सेम. So hope you like this video, students and friends. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe the channel. Bye bye.